Yes, sir.
Some message. Yes. Okay. Now I showed my side. Means I have my repository. I created repository. Then and I added a two files. Right. I added a two files in it. Now what to do in your side? For example, you have a folder. For example, I created some folder. I'm going to create like a folder name is student. Okay, I created a folder. Now inside you are starting giving a commands. Okay, you start giving a commands. You can see you can directly open git bash here also, no problem. Or you can go to the CMD also. You can go to git bash here like this. So you can do pwd. You can see e student. You can do, or you can open a CMD also, no problem. This is CMD, already CMD is there, so close it. Or you can open it separately. CMD. I'm resizing it. It's a E drive. E drive CD student. For example, you are doing in your system. So what you do? Your already student is there. So you create a new directory, MD ITIS 2 hyphen 2021. So you created a directory. So you can see the directory here. Okay. CD ITIS 2021 like this. You went inside a directory. I went manually to show you the balance. Okay. Now you put a git init. Okay. Git init is done, and you created a file, or maybe you can create a file earlier, and then you can do it. S1.txt. Some file you created. So this is S1 file by student something from your side. I'm talking about from your side. Okay, so just you created a directory in your local PC, and you initiate the git information, local repository, and as well as file is added. So if you see git status, new file is there. Very good. Now add git is added. Git commit hyphen m. Okay, new commit by, so yes one, any name you can use it, any comment, but mostly relevantly you have to give. Okay, better to understand. Okay, commitment is done. But when you do git commit, it will ask for a global variables. So you must give git config hyphen global. That command you should give both username and email ID. Any name, any email ID. Better I prefer here. Just you have to give these two commands. Okay, name and email ID. So this is your name. Main means your name only. Your name only. Not required full name, first name, and second name as something like a Vedic, Savantis, like that. And here it is like at the rate example.com or as quantaso.com or Vedic.com. Your name at the rate. So I will understand you are committed. Okay. So like any name you can give, or you can give complete original names also. Git config hyphen global user dot email, and your in quotations email. So git config hyphen global username user dot name, in quotations your name. Okay, that's it. Compulsory it will ask. After that one again check the git commit. Okay, after that check do the git commitment. Git status. Now no commitment. So you should get like this on master branch, nothing to commit, work on clean. I'm in a local repository, not at add remote repository. I'm going to add a remote repository. Remote add origin that link, YouTube link. So the link is here. Just copy this link. Okay, paste. Now I got a link added successful. What is the next command? Git push. Git push hyphen u origin master. So no spelling mistakes. Now I got a error, beautiful error. Okay, see this error. The error because of version control. Because can you see this is having two files inside. Already two commitment completed. Two files are there. Remember that one. And this is fresh one, different files are there. It contains s1 file, that is that in that one latif 1 latif 2 is there. You can see in original location you have a two files are there, latif 1 latif 2. Here you have s1 file, but you don't have latif 1 latif 2. Understand? If you want to commit it, so you have to commit completely, not something. You are not adding a file, you are not adding a file, you are adding, you are uploading complete project details, not a sum file to existing one. Understand this one? Got it? Right? This is having only S1, that is Latif 1, Latif 2 is there already there. Latif 1, Latif 2 is not showing here. That's why you are getting an error. In this situation, in this kind of situations. So how to do it? Try git pull. 1 second. Okay. Try git pull. Right, because it is given hint git pull is given. So try to use git pull. Enter. Right? Enter. Enter. So it pull the configuration. It pull the configuration and merge with this one. Okay. No refresh. Nothing. No, it is not pulling. Then you have to tell which branch, which remote, like this, or you can use branch upstream to origin like this. Git pull origin master. Link is already given here. Link is already given here. So you need to tell a link. Just you have to tell origin master or a master branch like that. Mm, referring to much unrelated history. So I have to go with any Git options. So okay, Git pull because I got a cancelled meeting. So meeting is there. 1 second, guys. May I have missing? So we don't know the meeting. So give me 5-10 minutes, then we'll see the meeting thing. Okay. So now it is a Git pull. Again, I'm trying because it will throw error. So using errors, we can solve it. We'll get error. That's why I'm telling this one. No, 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 no. one second. Copy this link. Actually, master. It refusing to merge unrelated history. Okay, grateful. Um, not creating any branches here. Okay, how to pull the information? It is always a type. Git pull. It happens. Why it is? So because should not do like this. That's it is showing that. Branch is master branch only. So why? Okay. So you'll get this kind of issue in your system because it's not added properly or anything. So I will try once again. Git remote add origin the link that is already existing. No problem. Remote is does not appear to be a repository. Is not a repository. Git full origin. It is not fetching. Should work. Maybe what is the folder name? Same thing only. ITS2 2021 ITS2 hyphen 2021. So finally it is not pulling anything, not cloning anything and not pulling anything. So actually it will pull. Uh, it is executed, not throwing anything, but it is not changing anything. Okay, so this is it, not working. Okay. Hmm. Why people think like it is not working, so I left like that? Because don't do that mistake. So we have a commands also there, but you can see that one. So what I'm going to do is, this is the one part. Second part, again I'm going with the details again. So if you do like that, so that is a trouble. See, this is my local repository in this file. Okay, these two files are there, and you know how to add it and all. For example, you're doing in your system directly. Just for example only, I'm going with other directory, just for example to show you this one how to do it. Already we done this one, right? So same thing, why without getting these many columns also we can do it. Okay, so I will show you that how to um, that one. So I creating a directory, this is git clone directory. Okay, just inside a git clone I'm going to do this thing. Okay. Okay. Instead of opening cmd, I've opened powershell. Don't worry, anything is okay. Not anything is okay because it's a very slow. cmd cd:/git clone. Now I can't able to go. Why? Nothing. E colon okay, now I got it directly. Okay, so now I put a git clone the link. So first I'm cloning in directly, so I cloned it. So here two files I got it. Okay, two files I got it. Now I'm creating some file echo. um, this is um, c11.txt file, c11 file something. Okay, so double greater c11.txt. So I created a file, so you can see the file now. Cd its this one, then so I am creating a file, so you can see the file I created. Okay, so what you do in your side, this is second part. This is second part, I'm telling. The first part directly we created, I tried git pull, not working. So that because of the differences. Now you don't get the problem if you do like this. Okay, so first of all I cloned it, then I went to go inside and I created a file here. Now I'm going to not required git init. If you put it already, it is showing reinitiated a kind of stuff it is showing. No problem. So new file is there, so I have to add the file, git add and git commit. um, c11 file added. Like you can give your name also, anything, new file, new commitment, any name thing. So commitment is completed. Now get git remote add origin and the link, enter. Already existing, very good. Next git push -u origin master. It will ask the username and password. If it is not asking, also good, no problem. It is uploaded. This practical is done, very simple practical. Okay, we'll wait. Like c11 is added, very good. Next. Okay, so this is simple first step. You have to do this step. But sometimes you get a columns also. We'll see that columns. So I'm closing this one. What is the column here? So two files, one file is there. Okay, one file difference is there. I'm going to my another system. Like this is someone, other one. These two files are there, right? Other person, try to open this one like CMD. Okay, in other person. Okay, so better. For example, I am doing this one, or how to tell? Forget about this one. Sonali. This is Sonali's folder. Means Sonali is doing now. See this one. This one I done. Okay, think like that. This is someone done. For example, Siddiq is done this one. Not this one. This one. This is Siddiq's one. This is a Sonali is doing from her PC. So what she's done? So tell me the command one by one. So first of all, copying this link, keep it side. Next, go to Sonali CMD E colon CD Sonali. Now, what is the first command? Tell me the previous thing. What we done with git clone, same thing. Tell me that one by one command. Git git clone part. No one is speaking. All are sleeping. Okay. So again, this is Sonali. For example, why I am taking Sonali is doing git clone. Mm, Cloning is completed. I got a folder. You can see the folder. Okay. So I'm trying to show you that how to do your side. Okay. Git clone is completed. Okay. So then we have to go to CD itis. Now I went inside of the this directory. I'm inside of this directory now. Now you can see three files are there. Same file here. Three files are there. Very good. Right. Now I'm creating a new file here. So I'm creating Sonali is creating a new file here. I'm not doing it. Sonali one. Okay. So this is Sonali file one. Save it. Close it. So a new file is there. No problem. So what to do? Git add. So new file is added. So directly I'm doing git add instead of checking the status. Just git add. Git is added and commit. Hyphen m Sonali new file one. Commit is done. Then check it. Any pendings are there. Git status. Git side everything is done. Okay. You have to push it. That's it. Nothing to commit. Okay. Now I'm going to push it. Very simple. Push hyphen u. That's it. Origin master you can give, otherwise also no problem. Pushing is completed. Who is done? This is a Sonali done. And refresh here. Now new file is added. New file is added. Okay, good. So Sonali work is completed. Now, for example, other user like a git clone user, so is went there. This user went there and try to add a new file inside. Okay, so is went inside and now I'm creating a new file. Try to understand the version controlling. Okay, so g1 file name is g1. No. This is g1 file. Okay, so I created a file in a different folder, means other person Sonali completed. Okay, she created a file and uploaded, and other user, think like a two users, what will happen in a scenario. So new file is added, again back, and new file is added. Now other user checking like a git status. So new file is added, so then we have to do git add and git commit fnm. Okay, g1 file added. Okay, addition is completed, commitment is also commitment. Now what am I doing? Git push is pending, right? Hyphen u, that's it. Wait, you will get error. Yeah, see, now you got error. Why you got error? Same thing you done. Already it is cloned one only. Already you added a file and it is working. So why you are getting a error? Earlier means you started creating from scratch. So now it is in the git clone. If you remember, in a git clone, I done a cloning. So I'm not added a freshly. So just I use the existing one, and I'm adding a file. Now why I'm getting this error? Why it is rejected? Anyone? Remember, Sonali cloned it, add the file. First of all, here in a git clone, I cloned it and add a file, uploaded. That time it is working good. Next, Sonali taken same link, cloned it, added a file and uploaded. That time also it is working. Now I came to my git clone, then I added a file. I am trying to push it. Now I am getting rejected. Why I am getting rejected?
I have to pull first.
Okay, why? Why? Correct. Why? Because
But didn't pull the Sonali file is not here.
very good. So
I have to pull first.
if you see here, very good. Correct answer. Okay. If you see here, it contains Latif 1, C11, Latif 2, Sonali 1. Okay. But if you see in this one, where is the Sonali 1 file? It is not there. So version difference is there. If version difference is there, then you don't, we cannot upload your new files into that one. So version difference is there, right? Sonali one is not there. So difference between your GitHub and your local repository, there is a difference. You have to resolve the difference first, then only we can able to push the new things. Okay, so make sure that one. So very good, correct. So at least one person understand, as per me. Okay, that is satisfaction also. Okay, sometimes. Okay, git pull, to pull the configuration from your GitHub to local repository and local working directory. Now I done a pulling. Now automatically, can you see what is the change is occur here? Sonali, like this. Okay, so when you do like this, do it from starting like this. Now the Sonali is added. Now what I have to do? Git push. Now it is not throwing error. Now it is push it and check it here. So that's why, guys, when you do it at your side, okay, when you upload, meantime someone is uploaded some code, you have to do git pull it and push it again, pull it and push it again. So use the clone is a better option. Okay, if you do from the scratch, you want to try to do it from the scratch thing, like a git initiation and all, it is also works, but it is not working exactly. So there is a one command I'm missing, that's why it is not working. Understand the version control system. Okay, so this is another one. What's the time now? Oh, okay, so far we don't have much time. I will tell one example and leave it. Otherwise, if you have a time, then I will go to another record. So not there. See, this is a existing data. So by Latif 1, I've opened it. So where am I located? So think like, okay, I'll go to Sonali only. Sonali. Okay, okay. File differences are there. No, so no, not going to Sonali. So Git alone. Here it is. All files are available in Git clone only. I'm going to Latif 1. Here, I'm adding a new line here. Means this is the file. I'm adding a new line only new line. So what happened? New line added. Okay, just adding a one line is enough. Now because I'm already in a git clone, that's why. Okay, so instead of taking, so modification is occur. So put a git status. So you can see modified. You can see modified also. Okay, it is, you can see modified. So you have to, what you have to do, git simple add only, or you can use git commit hyphen a, or you can use git hyphen a. Now check the git status. Okay, now you can see it is modified in a green. It is red color, it is green color. Totally it is git commands only. Important is the initially what I said, how to create a git repository, how to add it, how to upload it. That's the first one. Second important one is how to clone it, how to add a file, how to push it, how to pull it, and again how to push it. So these things are important. That's it. This is I'm giving in a other git things, like if you modify the file and immediately it is throwing a red message, it is modifying the file, modify it, because I'm not adding a file, I'm a modified the file. Next, here I'm going to create a two files, ff1. Guys, when you create it, create with your name only, so then I will understand. Sonali will create a Sonali 22. క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను. ఇక్కడ రికార్డ్ కూడా అవుతుంది ఇది. ఓకే సారీ గైస్, 5 minutes అమ్మా, కూర్చో. Okay, I added a two files, ff1. So you can type anything, f11 file, f22 file, something. Instead of uploading a empty file, you can put it. Okay, now two files are there. Again, I'm checking git status. Now can you see this is not yet committed and these two files are available. For example, if I put a git add dot means all the files will be added. Otherwise, I will put a ff1.txt. One file is added. You can see which one is added, that is in green color, which one is not yet added, that is showing red color only. You can add one by one, or you can add at a time everything with a dot also. So whatever it is modified, then you can put it, and then check this the status, everything is in green color, and you have to commit after that one. Latif 1 modified, just only one part only I'm telling commitment. So that is correct only, right? Hyphen u commit command is correct. Okay, not hyphen u, hyphen m. See, that is so each letter is very important. So commitment is done. What is the next one? Is git push only. So I push the file. Now what will happen after pushing? There is a modified file. Just to show you this extra file, how to add a one by one file, how to add all files also. One by one file also I showed it. Okay. Now here, can you see Latif one? It is modified. Okay. So once modified, go for it. How it is showing here, modified line also. It means if you have only one code, then what to do? It is developed by some others one, or maybe you are adding the code. So the new code is added by Git. So this is a version control. So I'm want to stop here because there are a lot of things in a Git to understand. Any questions, please ask. Then I will tell. Okay. So understand how to resolve the issues using first git clone it, add the file, and get it. Already you know the link. Okay, you know this link, right? So I am also sharing link in your WhatsApp. Okay, open the link. No need to log in. You know username and password. Already I shared username and password. So what you do, just clone it first. Make sure internet should be connected. Okay, so internet should be connected. Check it. Clone it first and go to that folder, add a file and commit. That's it. Just that part at least do it. Okay. So I will see here it is. Create a file with your name. That is enough. Okay. That is enough. Other things, other Git thing with how to upload a code from NetBeans to Git. How to upload a code that I will show you maybe if possible tomorrow. Okay. That's it.